Good morning. We are going to review a little bit before we take our test. There's a few things that we need to know about so that we will be best prepared. All right, the first thing that we're going to talk about is that this refers to parts. So Miss Began, Miss Ford, Miss Thompson all went on a whitewater rafting trip. The total cost was $800. But each person paid for part of the trip, and that part is represented by a decimal, because we know that a decimal is a part. Miss Thompson pays the rest. So in order to figure these out, I have to figure out Began's part. She paid 0.40 part. Miss Ford paid 0.35 part, and Miss Thompson pays whatever's left. And we find that by going the total minus Miss Began's part and minus Miss Ford's part. Okay? So let's go solve. Let's figure out what portion Miss Began paid. She does 800. Since this is a 0.40, I'm going to figure out what 0.40 times 800 is. Well, that's consistent. 0, 0, 2, 3. So if I solve this, Miss Began pays $320. Okay? Miss Ford will pay 800 times the 0.35, so 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 24, 0, 0, 0, 8, 2. Miss Ford pays $280. Now to figure out Miss Thompson, I have to take our cost, which is $800, and I'm going to subtract what Miss Began paid. And I'm going to subtract what Miss Ford paid. And so these will be my answers. We do need words. Miss Began paid $320. Miss Ford paid $280. Miss Thompson paid $200. I can check my answers by doing 320 plus 280 plus 200 to make sure that it still ends up being 800. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, my answer is correct. So just remember that a percent, or that a decimal is a part, which is a percent, and you multiply. Okay, the second question that we have is figuring out how to make a toy box for Lucy. So Lucy's toy box has a width of 26 feet. The length is 5.5 feet longer. Longer tells me to add to the width. Okay? And then I have to figure out how much I have to spend. So first thing I need to know is to make the perimeter. Perimeter equals 2, well, let's write that a little different. Perimeter equals the length plus the length plus the width plus the width. That could also be written as P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay? Which is totally fine. That's what we're going to do. But what does our piece of information tell us? The width is 26 feet. But the length is 5.5 feet longer than the width. So that'll be 26 plus 5.5. Okay, which if I do my math, 26 plus 5.5 is, well, 31.5 feet. So I'm just going to substitute these in. So P equals length, which is 31.5 plus 31.5 plus 26 plus 26. What you're doing is you're doing a box, and your width is 26, and your length is 31.5. So when you add all these together, you get 63 plus 52, which 115 feet. We are not going to worry about this right now.